Welcome to the Portable Classroom Max program. This is the walkthrough for exercise modal verbs could with the base verb and could have with verb past participle. Before we start the walkthrough, let's review how to use could and could have with verb past participle. Alright, so here are the four situations that you have to use could. Number one, for ability in the past. Look at the following two examples. Greta can scuba dive, fix engines, read French, and make me laugh. Using the word can means Greta has that ability right now. Now, Greta could scuba dive when she was 5. Now, it's talking about an ability that Greta had when she was 5, and she no longer has it now. It's in the past. Number two, use in request, offers. We can use could in polite communication in place of can. So if we want to be more polite, we would choose to use the word could. Example number one, Louis, can you pass me the butter, please? Maybe Louis is your friend and you're talking to him in a very casual manner, so you would use the word can. But if you want to be more polite, maybe you are talking to an elder, maybe you are talking to someone senior than you, then you will use the word could. Like here, Dr. Keyhammer, could you please explain the rules to us again? You're addressing a doctor, maybe he or she is your professor. Now, you use the word could to be more polite. Number three, ask for permission. Now, again, these are the three words that we can use in asking for permission. Can, could, and the last one, may. We use can in a casual way, could if you want to be more formal, may in very formal situations. Number four, when we give permission to say that it's okay or not okay to do something, we will use can or can't, like you can do this or you can go out. We will not use could or couldn't. However, we use could and couldn't. We will use could for requests, offers, or permission, asking for permission, but we will not, when we give permission, when we say yes or no, we will not use the word could or couldn't. However, in very formal situations, we often use you may or you may not to say that something is or isn't okay. So now we know how to use could. Let's take a look at how to use could have with verb past participle. Now we use it for referring, means talking about something in the past that was not real, so it's not real, or something that may possibly have been real, but still it is not real. Look at examples. Number one, I could have been killed with Vincent in that accident. So the fact was I was not killed in that accident. Maybe I was almost killed, but I was not killed in that accident. So I'm still alive. Something in the past that is not real. Number two, Joyce could have married to Wade if she had made a different choice, but the fact was Joyce wasn't married to Wade. So something in the past that could possibly be real, but it is not real. Alright, now let's go back to the exercise itself. A. Complete the sentences using could or could have with verb past participle. Let's look at question number one. What should we do this evening? I don't mind. To the cinema? Well, it's talking about something that's in the present or that will happen in the future, so we can use could, not could have, go with the verb. So we could go to the cinema. Number two, I had a very boring evening at home yesterday. Why did you stay at home? So we're talking about something that happened yesterday. And I will say, you could have gone out with us. So it means the person, well, she didn't go out with us or he didn't go out with us, but you could have gone out with us. So it's in the past and it was talking about something that could possibly be real, but it was not real. Could have possibly be real, but it was not real. Number three, there's an interesting job advertised in the paper. Now, you could go for it. Now, this might be a phrase that you're not familiar with. Go for it. Maybe you can try it. Okay, you could go for it, so you can go to a job interview. You can try your luck. You can try taking this job opportunity. So you can say you could go for it. What sort of job? Show me the advertisement. So it's not talking about past, it's actually talking about the present and the future. So we use could instead of could have with verb past participle. All right, let's look at question number 4. How was your exam? Was it difficult? Well, it wasn't so bad. Okay, so we're talking about something in the past. And it wasn't so bad. So the truth is, it wasn't so bad. But here it says worse. So it's not real. So we will say it could have been worse. Be verb past participle is been. It could have been worse. But the fact was, it wasn't so bad. It was okay. Question number 5. I got very wet walking home in the rain last night. Why did you walk? So it was talking about something happened in the past. Why did you walk? So the fact was he walked. But why did you walk? You could have taken a taxi. But the fact was he didn't take a taxi. He walked. So it's talking about something that could have been possible, could have been real in the past, but it wasn't. Number 6. Where shall we meet tomorrow? Well, to your house if you like. So it's talking about something that will happen in the future. We'll use could. I could go to your house if you like. So this is the end of the walkthrough. For more exercise of this sort, please visit the website www.thesportableclassroom.blogspot.tw and you will find lesson plans and all the worksheets that you need for your grammar. Thank you for your patience.